Hello, welcome back to the channel. This week we're going to do something Pokemon related again because I cannot be stopped and I have so many Pokemon blankets that I need to get through. However, we're not making a dress this week. I decided to do something different, something I wanted to do for a while, and I'm making a jacket. Here it is here, and without any further ado, here's how I made it. So the first thing you're going to need for this project is a Pokemon duvet cover and Simplicity 8418. You'll also need 2 meters of ribbing and a 22-inch zipper. The first thing I'm doing here is separating the 2 blanket halves. Then I place the pattern pieces depending on what sort of Pokemon or design I want to feature where. For instance, this is the back panel and I wanted that Pikachu. Then thought it'd be really cool to line the jacket with the scraps I had left over from making this dress the week before. And I had just enough to make it work. Once all the pieces are cut out, I transfer any notches or markings onto the fabric. Before we assemble any part of the jacket, we put the pockets on first, and then we press them to one side, and then we sew both those sides together. Next, we clip the join here so that we're able to press the pocket to one side again and press the seam open on the top edge here. Then we base the bottom edge of this pocket here along the jacket edge. Next up, it's time to assemble the sleeves. Here I'm putting some gathering stitches in along the bottom edge. I'm gathering it so that I'm able to put the cuffs in. Now that the sleeves are done, it's time to add them to the jacket. So I couldn't resist trying it on at this point, now that the sleeves are actually attached. Yeah, it looks cool! I love the Pikachu on the back, that's probably my favourite part. I wish this was up the right way round though, so like, when I held up my arm like this, the words were up the right way. I just didn't have enough fabric to cut it out the other way around. That's okay. Yeah, cool!
Alrighty, now it's time to add the ribbing along the neckband and the bottom edge. Before the bottom ribbing gets added, it has the square bits of fabric put on it first. I'm not really sure what these are called, but there they are, and it's time to sew it to the bottom. And finally, it's zipper time.
Okay, zipper is in. The only thing missing now is the lining, but you do that exactly the same as how I made the rest of the jacket, so I'm not going to bore you by showing the exact same steps again. Next time you see me in this, the lining will be in, and it will be completed. So there you have it, that is how I made this Pokemon jacket out of an old bedsheet. Once again, super happy with it, can totally see myself using this pattern in the future, and love the pockets. It was pretty easy to put together. I only struggled with this section here, and that's because I had a single fold ribbing rather than a double fold, so it made sewing that bit there a little bit tricky, but nothing I didn't overcome in the end. So if you like this video, please make sure to check out my other bedsheet videos. I made a dress out of the lining fabric of this the week before. I'll throw it up there so you can go check it out. And also make sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below. I'm almost at 600 subscribers, which has happened super quickly, and thank you all so much for that. It's incredible that, I mean, one person other than my mum watches these videos, so thank you. I always try and upload on a Friday or thereabouts, so make sure to come back next week and see what I'm working on. I'll see you then. Bye!